Are we live? Are we live? I believe we are live. This is my video from yesterday. We got a lot of subscribers from yesterday. We were at like 26 and now we have 41 subscribers, so that's pretty nice. And we gained a lot more views compared to last time. Hopefully we get some more engagement today even. But today I wanted to start off more with like the projects and stuff rather than um really just getting into what's it called? Yeah, just doing projects rather than elite code instead. So normally what I'd just do is I'd go onto GPT and then um, look into how to do the stock predictor because that's the one we decided to do last time. So I'm just gonna look into the stock predictor stuff right now and see like how we can get started with that. So let's just talk to GPT. There's no thumbnail in today's video, so maybe I should change that. How do I even... Can I change that? Settings? I don't know, we'll just do it later. Oh, we got someone in chat. Why can't I see the chat? I don't even think my chat's working right now, which kind of sucks. Yeah, no, I don't think anyone said anything in chat. My thing's just tripping. Okay. Project using an excellent way to apply your data science and machine learning. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Define your objective, determining what you want your stock to predict. For example, do you want to predict the closing price of a stock for the next day, or are you aiming for a longer-term forecast? Defining your objective will guide the choice of models and data. I'll need to historical stock data, popular sources. Pre-process data, clean and prepare the data for analysis. This includes handling missing values, normalizing, so standardizing the data, and creating relevant features. Choose a model. That's some real machine learning shit, eh? Splitting data, training the model. So I guess we better go on a whole machine learning journey right now. Evaluate your model. Use metrics like mean absolute error, MAE, mean squared error, MSE, or R squared to evaluate your model's performance. What should I use for the user interface? For creating a user interface for your you have several options depending on your preferences and the complexity of the interface you want to build. Here are some popular choices. Web-based interface. Creating a web-based interface allows users to interact with your model through a web browser, which is accessible and convenient. Flask is a lightweight web format that is easy to set up and use. Oh, we got another viewer. HTML template. Let's start with the HTML. So we'll just open up VS Code. New window. Should we make a Git repo first? I guess we'll just make a Git repo. There'd be nothing in the repo anyways. But let's go for it. Stock predictor. Description. Let's not worry about features right now. Okay, public, yep. Add a readme. I think we can do that later. Create repository. Yeah, we'll take this. Here. Clone git repo. And then, yeah, we'll save it here. Open. Okay, awesome. So we got our repo. Now we just gotta get started. So UI, we'll just call this user interface for now. User interface. And then we'll make a new file in there. And then let's call this front.html. We'll change the name later. Later. We don't have to worry about that too much right now. But let's take this, what it gave us here, and then let's push this front. So this is how you guys use Git as well. It's pretty beneficial to use Git, just like collaborating with others and stuff, and like saving stuff to your repo. It's just nice. It's just like a way you can also show your projects to recruiters and all that. But let's just commit this really quickly. You can also do this, like you can go live. I think there's an extension for this, but yeah, like, and this, oh, you guys can't even see this shit. Let me just move my camera. Why can't I move it? Video. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can really see this, but it's like right there. That's kind of what we have going on. Is this adjusted properly? Yep. Yeah, I don't know how to really show it. Maybe I do this so you guys can see it more. But that's kind of what GPT gave us for the front page. Let's try to make that look a little bit nicer because that's not really a beautiful sight to look at. Maybe I should move my camera. Although I think it'd look funky if I moved it. But let's see. Um, stock ticker. Hmm. Let's look at the code. I think I'm just gonna move my camera. I feel like it's not really ideal for you guys right now. Yeah, we'll keep it here for now so you guys can kind of see what's going on with the code and everything. But yeah, it's calling it stock ticker. I don't know why we're calling it ticker, but for now it doesn't do anything. Like I could just do I'll not do anything. Yeah. But that's some HTML for you guys. Um hmm. Predict ticker for stock. What does that even mean, stock ticker? What does stock ticker mean? Oh, okay. Hmm. We could make this look a lot nicer. Let's see what we should do. Center this, the title of stock predictor. Go live again. Okay, we have everything centered now. Now I'm just gonna try to make the size bigger and stuff. We would also have to make a database or something for all these stock tickers and all that. But for now, let's just try to visually improve the front page. Feel like we could get it to look a lot better. How would you make this size? feel like you might as well just make a like separate style thing, like a separate CSS thing. S front.html. Now we have like a separate style. Dude, why did it move? I called it style, that's why style.css. Now, perfect. We'll make like a navigation bar as well here to make it look better, but kind of want to move everything. I don't really like the colors either. What color shapes page should look like? Let's see how it looks now. We changed the colors up. Dude, what? Oh. These colors kind of goofy though, no? Why? I thought it said color, dark gray label, blue title. I don't know. Let's look at other stock predictor websites. How do they look? Bruh. Oh, I guess it's kind of blue. Kinda. Normally people get like Figma designs for this stuff, but since this is like obviously a personal project, I'm not gonna go start designing stuff and paying a guy for it. So I guess we're just gonna work on the design like by ourselves, see where we can get. Let's see. Yeah, they are mostly blue to be fair, but they all kind of have this like thing in the front going on. So maybe we could put like the chart image and then stock chart image. Or maybe use something like this. Normally with stuff like HTML, I would just use GPT and make shit a lot easier and faster instead of wasting your time on a lot of stuff. We might have to make a login page as well. I honestly should try changing the thumbnail because I'm not getting any viewers, so I'm assuming it's because of that. Let's try to make a thumbnail on the spot. Oh no. I fixed the thumbnail stuff. Let's try to make a thumbnail on the spot. Let's see here. So it changed the CSS. So the HTML. Normally though, I wouldn't trust GPT with replicating things. It's not always the best. Wait, wrong sheet. Well, that is not that bad. This actually looks kind of nice. Stock predictor interface. So this is where I'm presuming we put the image to make. Where do I put the image? Like, you have no excuse to be building, to not build personal projects when you have ChatGPT. Like, I don't know. Like, that's just my take on things. If you have ChatGPT, like, there should literally be no excuse. Or at least in my eyes, there should be no excuse. What is it yapping about? So it's saying make a static / images folder. Wait, why is it not open? No, wait, why am I doing that? It should just be called images. But we want to rename it. Rename index.html. Index.html. And then we'll change everything. So perfect. Style CSS. I'll just change the name to styles at this point. It's just a pain in the ass. Styles. Let's see what it does. What the fuck is this? What even happened? I guess we'll just show it what we have going on. Yeah, it's literally cooked. This is what is. What even happened? What did it say? Oh, I guess he called it templates. Um, yeah, I think now it should work. I think it was the naming error of the file. I should have called it templates. No, something. I mean, it's somewhat better, but it's not supposed to look like this. Hmm. py. Let's look at this. I don't know what's going on right now. Let's open the terminal. Here, let's see how this works. What? Oh, is it because I don't have the extension? Let's just go live for a second though. For now it's even more cooked what's going on. It's showing everything. So we got that. Maybe this is the issue. Huh. I don't know exactly what's going on. This is the error I am getting. Install Flask. Oh, it's probably not installed yet. Make sure you have Flask, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can do it using pip. No such. Let's just install it. Maybe I open my terminal instead. What is going on? This is quite annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, this shit got me bugging, bro. The struggle is indeed real right now. This is quite a tiring process, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure I'm in the root directory though. But I'm not too sure what's going on really. Might have to watch like a tutorial on how to install Flask, but we'll deal with that later. There we go. And then the index.html. I just don't know what's going on here. Like, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be called index.html, but I don't even know. It's just not connected to the CSS properly, and I don't know why. I think it's here, which is the issue. This is literally what I have, which is what I don't get. Maybe I spelled this wrong, I don't even get it. CSS slash pro. I mean, there's no one watching right now, but if there was, clearly I need a lot of help at the moment. Python. We have everything for it. But this is taking a while. We'll worry about the Flask stuff like later. But for now, let's just okay. Maybe this will fix it. Do I even have to do the Oh, let's go. That's actually clean. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that's proper clean. I want to get like a phone image and then kind of put it in there as well. But I think the issue that was happening was the Flask stuff. I've never used Flask before, so I'll look more into that off stream probably. And then for tomorrow, we can get started straight away. But right now, it's looking clean. This is looking clean. This is actually hard. I like how this is looking right now. Um, this is for the Snap story. I'm happy with what this is looking like right now. Yeah, this is actually, I'm really happy with this. phone stock image. If we just put that to like the side, that would actually like be too clean. We'll try it and see it. Like somewhere here, so we can have like this space covered, and then maybe we just put some yap here, and then like, you know, your all that BS over here and all that. But for now, this is like, I think my shit looks better than this right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, we are directory issues, but like side by side, like let's keep it a buck here, boys. What's looking better? Like, I'm just saying. Actually, I think like split screen kind of looks weird for both of them. Let's just do it like that. Side by side, I would like if I saw this. I think this is cooler. We have to add a little more stuff, but as of right now, it's looking kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking good. Okay, let's see. So we put, I mean, obviously the buttons are not gonna work just yet. So we have everything. So, we should probably push this onto the GitHub. So how you do that is you'd go on your source control, which is here, and then front page. I'd just write this again and then commit all these changes. Yes. And then what that does, it'll just go straight to the GitHub. Like it's gonna update and then show everything. I don't know why the hell it's not here. It may take a bit of time, but it's kind of trolling right now. Where'd it go? Why is it gone? Maybe show more. Well, it will be here. I'm just waiting on that. It should be here. I don't know why it isn't there. Did I have a main branch? Yeah, it should. We'll give it a bit. Actions. Damn, what? Why is it not? I do not know why this is happening. I'll be there hopefully soon. I think it did, but it didn't even push the previous changes either. Is everything alright? Are we sure I'm on the right thing? I mean, I didn't even put the name, so why is it not working? Yeah, it should work. I just don't know why it's not working. I don't even think you're supposed to do this. It's already there. Why is it not pushing it? This is quite annoying. Dude, I don't even know what's going on. Why is it not working? Is it just not connected? What am I pushing this to? Just not pushing it. How did it not push them? What did I push to? I don't know what's happening. I can try cloning the repo again. Why did it not work though? I'll just try this. Index.html. Images. Okay. Let's pray this worked. Dude, what the fuck? Why is it not working? I don't get it. Yeah, literally. Oh, let's go. Thank God. I was getting worried for a second. It took way too long. Yep. So I guess I'll just delete the other one that I had. Oh. Yep. Okay. Anyways, let's try to find the. That was such useless time wasted, man. Not gonna lie. Just gonna take a quick 5-minute break. I will be back. Um, Hey, I'm back. I see promoting where it says, "Hey, bro, I'm also an aspirant. Would you suggest me a roadmap?" What I personally would just do is, if you're still here, that for roadmaps, start off with just building projects when you have no idea with the language at all, even, and slowly, like, you'll start to learn like the ins and outs. Like, I don't have that much experience with JavaScript, but my first JavaScript project, like, I ended up learning a lot about it. So I would just do project based learning, and then from that transfer your skills to leak code. I normally do Python on leak code. It makes things a lot easier for me. And yeah, Python on leak code's pretty good, and that'll teach you, like, Python's a pretty easy language. If you don't know that, I would start with Python, and then I would look into, like, just what's it called? Yeah, doing a bit of leak code for interview prep and just applying. Your first job, the interview isn't that hard. Like, it tends to be pretty easy, but it gets harder. Like, the higher level of software engineer you are, juniors, they have pretty easy interviews and stuff. But if you just want to get started, I just say try building a simple project. It'll help you learn the simple steps into getting into coding and all that. And then, although it seems pretty hard, like, this seems really hard, but it really isn't, especially with things like ChatGPT and all that. I just recommend that, just try, go for it, right? Like, just put yourself into it and you'll learn through the process, rather than, like, thinking, oh, you need to know every little detail before you start things. I'm just a guy, I just jump in without, like, any heads up or anything. I just go for it, and I think that everything will just come to you naturally. That's just how I see it. But that would be my advice. But yeah. Oh, we got my friend Shahab Bahrami watching me live right now. Yo, say what's up in the chat, dog. Where's my what's up in the chat, Shahab? I'll wait for your response. Burner account. No worries, man. Are you like a who's know you? Shahab, are you know you with the burner account? No worries promoting word. If you have any questions, man, let me know. Like, this is a platform for all of us to just talk and, like, go for it. Just, like, talk to each other, learn from others' experiences. Are you also a university student promoting word, or are you like a grad, or, like, are you just trying to get into CS, software, all that? Like, what's your background? Shahab, why you got a burner account? Be serious for once, man. Always trolling. Stock ticker. Um, but yeah, we were trying to add the phone image. Let's see which one's the best one. Um, None of these are looking that good right now. Um, hmm. Hopefully we find a good image. Stock chart image on phone. Maybe my Google search just isn't the best. Stock chart image on phone. Hmm. Finding images is honestly harder than coding at this point. Uh, Huh. Dude, all these images are trash. Where's the... I want something like this. But I just can't. Hmm. Can't find anything clean. That looks like trash. These are paid. Ugh. Gotta go back to the top, man, to the ones that aren't paid. This one's kind of nice. I might just... Does it fit the aesthetic? Oh, wait, just lost it. Let's see. I'm really not liking. Oh, Shutterstock. This actually might be good. This edited might be good. Let's see how this would look actually. Well, I'm gonna screenshot it just like kind of like this. Upload from computer, desktop, recent. Right of the image. Let's see the name. I mean, I could just put it. New underscore image. PNG is the name that GPT wants to give it. Alright, let's see how this looks. Save. Let's see. Ooh. Huh. I don't know. Maybe. Huh. I want to switch. Oh, I said to the right. Let's see how they kind of. I don't know. Now it kind of doesn't look that great. Maybe if I lowered the size of it. Let's see how it looks on the left though. I should have. Do you get? If anyone here uses GitHub Copilot, it's actually a really good tool, or at least I would say it is. Um, maybe make this image smaller. Let's see what happened here. No, it didn't change the size. I don't think this new image works, to be honest. Yeah, let's just get rid of it. I think the design is good. Yeah, I wouldn't change this too much. Because anything else would just start looking goofy, so. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it at this right now. I don't know if you guys can see the sign in or sign up or login page because of the subscriber goal stuff, but let's see. We'll add more to it later, but for now I think this is actually no, this is not what it looks like. The thing is, if I do bring an image, it needs to blend in with this background, which is probably not going to, which is my issue. But I guess right now, before we end the stream, I'd probably like try to make the navigation bar look a lot better. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to make the navigation bar look better. Just gonna see what they did. I mean, theirs isn't like that crazy. Probably would get rid of some of these later, but let's see the other ones. No, a lot of people kind of just have this. Actually, I don't know. Is it even worth changing? Maybe make it blue. I don't even know. Honestly, nah. I guess maybe when I like go on it, maybe highlight it. When I put my cursor on the nav bar, it changes color. I think that's like the last change we'll add for today. What color is it even changing it to? Honestly, when I stream, I just feel like I get a lot more done than what I would if I wasn't streaming, because you just get held accountable for doing things. Let's see the color. The new color that we have. Yo, clean, fam. Is blue the right color though? Maybe we could change the font, but that's clean. I like that. Can you guys see it on stream? I don't know, but now it's changed, so like when I click on it or go on it. Let's see what most normal websites do. I don't know, let's go on like H&M's website. Yeah, I wanted the underlining effect. Should it be more central as well? Wait, styles.css. Or is it good here? Let's look at my own personal. I put it here. Yeah, I think it's good here. I don't know what random websites are there like that I could like look at. Epic Games. Let's look at Epic Games. Probably has a nice ass website. No, everyone keeps their shit to the side. So I guess we'll keep it to the side. Just add the underlining effect, I guess. Styles.css. Let's see how the underlining effect looks like. Oh, I like that. I like that. That's hard. That's hard. That's actually nice. So let's just figure out what it meant by the Flask app stuff. And then we can just chill out for like 20 minutes and then we'll wrap up the stream. What were we going? To handle any backend. So it's for the back end. Got it. I guess that's the main stuff, right? The back end stuff. So this is nothing right now. Like, once we press this predict button, like, we're gonna have to start cooking. And I mean cooking. Because with big projects, you can't use too much GPT anyways. Because, like, once backend and everything comes into play, you're kind of just, like, on the grind for that. Let's see if there's any tutorials for this stuff. We'll look at these. Yeah, I'll look into this. Let's watch this real quick.
Are you ready to harness the power of Python, APIs, and Flask? And with these powers, we can make
Editing kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Editing going hard.
super awesome websites like this meme website, giving you a fresh baked meme from Reddit every 30 seconds. By the way, we're gonna build that site in this video. And I built this page to keep track of my daughter's Keek balances, a cryptocurrency I built for their allowance. And you might remember I used it for my Halloween video back in the day. So get your coffee ready. We're about to level up our Python skills by interacting with some APIs and learning how to use Flask, a web application framework used by the largest companies in the world. Now, the beautiful part about this is that it's pretty easy to learn and get started with Flask, which means this tutorial is for everyone, even if you don't know Python. That's okay. Now, don't get me wrong, knowing a bit of Python won't hurt, but you will still be able to keep up if you're brand new. So quick coffee break and let's talk about what you need. First, you'll need a Linux computer. Now, if you don't have one or yours is slow and dumb, do what I do. Spin up a wicked fast Linux virtual machine in the cloud with Linode, the sponsor of this video. At just 0.0075 cents an hour, this will pretty much almost cost you nothing. Especially if you just want to try this with me, get a super slick, awesome meme website up and running, let it run for an hour. And when you delete it, it costs you this much, less than a penny. And if you do want to leave it up forever, because of course you don't want to deprive your friends of sweet, sweet memes, it's just $5 a month. That's it. So head on over to linode.com/networkchuck and check this out. If you're new to Linode, you get $100 credit free for totally not least. Here we go. First time more. Python, Flask, people. It's designed to the apes. You don't have to go anywhere else. It's in your current directory. And just after maybe relationship between our Python Flask script forever to make this video, which is already
we need Linux, bro. What did they say?
This is exactly we have created a cited Python how to write bare bones. You should be able to follow along pretty easily if you know how to write code in general. All right, so this is what we're actually going to be making here. A little applet, no new tab, update, delete. All right, so let's start with setting up our newer. We'll start by download and check or spot B for Python packages. Set up. Use whatever text editor IDE you like. I would strongly recommend Visual Studio Code, though. I think it's by far the most powerful, the easiest to use, quickest worked. Use whatever.
Yo, that guy was trying to finesse a sponsorship with the Linux stuff. That's interesting.
Text editor IDE you like. I would strongly recommend Visual Studio Code, though. I think it's by far the most powerful, the easiest to use, quickest workflow. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and click open folder here. Strongly recommend if you want to macro. I have Python 3 installed. Check your current version here. Use Python if you're Python 3. For tech, I think I'm going to go ahead and fix folder. So this is fine. Terminal here in our current install, and I already have this installed, so this is going to go really quick. You most likely won't.
Install pip3 install virtual lenv. Let's try it. Virtual. doing something. Okay, it did something.
And this is going to be what allows us to create our virtual environment here. And if you're wondering why we do that and don't just install the packages globally, it's so that if we wanted to work with other people, if we wanted to, work on a project, collaborate, it makes it so that all of the requirements, all the packages that are needed are contained within the project itself and not on your system in other directories, so you can transfer the project around and everyone can just install the requirements into the working directory and have the exact setup that you had. So it makes it easier to work with other people, and that's pretty much the gist of it. So that's what we're going to do. So now that we have virtual and installed, we're going to go ahead and type virtual env env, and env is the name.
Virtual env env. Maybe I spelled it wrong.
Work in here, rid of this title, and I'm going to need Flask, Flask SQL. env is the convention. It makes it so that all of the requirements, all the packages that are needed are contained within the project itself and not on your system in other directories, so you can transfer the project around and everyone can just install the requirements into the working directory and have the exact setup that you had. So it makes it easier to work with other people, and for virtually just pop
Virtual
env, and env is the name, as you can see, just popped up here. That could really be any name you want. Env is the convention. It's short. You'll have to type it. So. All right, next up we need to activate the environment. So we're going to go ahead and type source env bin and activate and hit enter. And
bro, what? I think we did this, but oh. I guess we're technically in there now. Anyways.
And as you can see, so we need call it app.py. And I'm going to hit enter.
don't even know where all these came from. What? App.py.
Enter. And I'm going to go ahead and start writing a very, very basic, the most basic Flask app you can write. But it's going to give us an outline for the entire application. So before I do that, just so you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and up the font size. I think 18 should be pretty big. So we need to extract up routes with rel font underscore true. So that's pretty much it. That is a very, very basic Flask application. If we run this, it should work. It should pull up a page that says hello world. So let's go ahead and see, type Python localhost, and then it starts up a web server here. So it's just localhost, and then the port's 5000. There we go.
Huh. Dude, the GitHub's not updating again. This is so annoying. I'm not even kidding. I don't know what's going on with this. Huh. What is going on? Dude, I gotta figure out what's going on with this GitHub stuff. Oh, worked. What is going on?
And it starts up a web server here. So it's just localhost, and then the port's 5000. And there you go. Over here. So it's just localhost, and then the port's 5000.
Hottest localhost port 5000. Why don't I just do this? Nice. We got it at least. That was a pain in the ass. Well, we're here. We got it. What did it originally have for the Flask stuff? This. we changed it again. Well, for now we'll just go back to our little hello world, but I think I somewhat get how Flask works now, but Control C, yeah, got it to quit. So we'll just get rid of all these for now. And then we'll commit this, even though I don't know what's going on, it's not committing for some reason. Oh, well, we got it. Is this the most current code? Did I do the navbar like an hour ago? I guess it's the most current code, I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, it's there. Nice. Well, that was a long stream, but we'll wrap it up for now. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. We didn't get as many viewers today, but we got a lot of work done today, so that was good. We ended up making this. We'll just put it on the thing real quick. I think I already chose this interpreter. Yeah, we ended up getting to this point. This is what we have so far, and then we got started with some Flask application that says hello world, so that was nice. I'll just put that up here as well. Took a while to get set up, but no, it's messing around again now. We will figure it out. How did I do it even? I don't even know how I did it. We'll figure it out again. I mean, we did it once. We can probably do it again, but I think it's something like I'll open GPT real quick. I think you have to like make a virtual environment and all that, and then do it. It's a long process. Yeah. You have to like install pip and all that, and just do it really quickly. You do this. Yes, and then pip install Flask, and then nice, and then you just do this. It makes a little thing here, gives you some link, and then you go here, and then it says hello world. So that's what we got done today. I'd say that's a decent bit, but definitely we'll have more work done next time. Probably try to get some backend stuff in, but tomorrow I'm gonna start off with some leak code and then do a little bit of the project stuff. But other than that, no, that was fun. I think our design's kind of nice, so that's ideal. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the stream now because I do have to get going, but I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Peace out. Let's end this stream.